Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 24th. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Firstly, if we come up to Bitcoin on the daily time frame closed a bearish candle yesterday, and yes, it's continuing its downtrend. So if we also see on 4-hour time frame, it's just uh, it could be seen that it just swept its previous uh, swing high liquidity and just following its trend downside and continuing further. And yes, if we come up to 1 hour time frame as well, it's just clearly visible that this uh, Bitcoin is going down well, and this was our trade which got us with the target. And right now we have planned up a trade right here. If I could say, this was some level we were looking for sells, and yes, market gave a good entry, and we are right now entered into this trade, and right now the price is at break even going on. Let's see if it goes down well into our direction and get us with the TP, or just consolidates or gets us the SL. So that's it for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on a If I show you, Bitcoin is on a consolidation phase right now on the 1 hour time frame, and it's bearish to sideways. So yes, we are just planning for sells only on this area and no buying, because of the bearish trend in the markets. So also if you see on the 4 hour, it's bearish and it just tapped its supply level for 4 hour, and after just tapping the supply zone, it's continuing downside further. And let's see for new lows in the Bitcoin in the upcoming sessions. So heading on to Ethereum on the daily time frame also closed a bearish candle, and uh, on the 4 hour time frame as well, it just tried to cross its previous swing level and failed to sustain above and continuing downside only, as we have talked it earlier in the last session as well. Also, if we come up to 1 hour, 1 hour also is showing a good bearishness. uh, Seeing on the 1 hour, it's just we got this entry, and it's very close to our targets. Also, we took a re-entry right here. Formation of a good double top pattern was seen, and we just re-entered at this level of somewhat 2940. And uh, markets are looking weak, and let's see how further it goes. And yes, that's it for Ethereum. It's already weak and going down only, and we would be looking for new lows and it in the upcoming sessions as well. So heading on to XRP on the daily time frame also closed a good bearish candle. Seeing on the 4 hour time frame, the heck? Seeing on the 4 hour time frame, it's following it's this resistance level, and that we have already marked with, and following it very well and continuing downside from that particular level only. Coming on to 1 hour time frame, it's visible that we got a good trade running right now, and it's really close to our TP. And um, let's see if it continues downside and get us with the last target, or just retraces back further. And yes, so XRP is bearish, and it's on the lower low trend on the 1 hour time frame. So we would be looking for sells only, and XRP. And also if we see this level, it could be seen that if price didn't just go down and go for new lows, it could just retrace back till this level, and then it could continue downside further, giving a good downside move. So yes, that's it for XRP. Heading on to BNB coin. BNB on the daily time frame closed a good bearish candle. Coming on to 4 hour, as we can see, price just tapped its supply area on 4 hour time frame and gave a good continuation of its downtrend. So yes, it's also bearish on the 4 hour as it's on a lower low trend or the pattern. Also coming on to 1 hour time frame, uh, as I talked about this supply zone, the market just tapped this level and gave a good down move. And also our trade, we got this trade running, and it's going well in our favor right now. And yes, let's look for its target, as it's going well in our direction. So this is our target, or the new low is the target for this trade. um, let's see how let's see for the targets coming soon, as it's already in our favor. One is 1.5 we already got, and we are looking for 1:3 target. So yes, only selling is there for BNB, as it's totally bearish on every time frame for now. Coming on to Solana. Solana on the daily time frame also closed a bearish candle. Okay, so also if you see on the 4 hour, this was its previous low, and it tried to break it but failed to sustain below. Uh, so it retraced back till its the supply area, and right now, if we see, this was a good supply area where the price tapped and continuing downside well. So let's see if this time price could break this level and sustain below or not, or it might continue, sorry, it might reverse upside and give a reversal from this level. So it's a quite important level for now. And yes, this trade right now is running, and we are looking up for new lows here in the Solana coin. And also, this was some entry we could have entered, but we were already in a trade, so we haven't planned this, or we could have got this trade. So, talking about this trade, we are right now in a 1:1 risk reward in the current market price. So let's see if we could achieve 1:3 targets, seeing the Sol coin going hitting new lows. And yes, that's it for Solana as well. It's bearish, and we want it to hit new lows further to achieve our targets. Heading on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the daily time frame also closed a good bearish candle. Coming on to 4 hour. 4 hour is completely bearish on the lower low pattern, so it's also bearish. If you see, this was the supply area for Dogecoin, and the market just the price just tapped this level and uh, going down well. And yes, if you see further on the 1 hour for good confirmations, this was a good trade we captured, and right now it's giving us with good profits. We are targeting for 1:3, right, like here. And let's see till when it gets us with the targets, or we could just plan for new lows as well. So yes, just a second. So yes, that's it for Dogecoin as well. It's bearish, and we are selling on every highs, and that's the plan, and we are executing it well. So that's it for Dogecoin as well. I hope you like the analysis for today. Stay tuned for further analysis like these and these trades updates as well. So thank you.